And good morning, I'm meteorologist Amber Wheeler. This is your 1-minute forecast on this Tuesday, August 23rd. We are in the 80s and 90s again today. It's another hot one out there. We know maybe cooler by a few degrees, but at this point you may not feel a difference. It's just going to be downright hot. Now, we are starting the day off mostly sunny, and then we're going to pull in chances for some showers and thunderstorms later today. See here, kind of a westerly upper atmospheric flow. That's a part of a larger ridge that's kind of bringing in a few waves of showers and thunderstorms, one being a cold front that will change things as we head into tomorrow. So as you see here, through the first part of our day, probably a lot of sunshine, and then some high clouds will roll in out ahead of the chances for showers and thunderstorms. Once we get into late afternoon, early evening, that's when we'll probably start seeing initiation along that cold front, possibly seeing a few more showers and storms in the southwest earlier than that. Now, the Storm Prediction Center has not given us a risk for severe weather, but there are some chances that these could get right there at that severe criteria. Severe would mean 1 inch in diameter hail and or wind gusts of 58 miles per hour and stronger. So we have the possibility of getting a few strong storms along that cold front. That'll push out of here this evening, and a few isolated showers into Wednesday, not out of the question, but Wednesday's going to feel a lot different. Here's a quick look at how much rain we could see. The model's really showing a trace to 1/10 of an inch, but if you find yourself having a thunderstorm move over you, that's where you could be in that sort of like, half an inch range. You could find that quick little downpour that could give you a higher number. But we go from the 80s and 90s today to the 70s for tomorrow, so a huge cool down here between today and into Wednesday. In fact, here's a look at your Wednesdays. Daytime high map, widespread 70s across the map here. A look at the next 10 days. It's a cool down for Thursday as well, probably mostly sunny on that day. And then we return to the 80s and stay there through the weekend.